if you want to think about like why would you trust us for some of your sensitive workloads and AI use cases, to me this is fairly simple in that for the most critical production environments around the world, we're a company and a solution that's been trusted now for multiple decades, and we never compromise on quality. We never compromise on reliability. We want to make sure that, especially in this world of AI and highly dynamic threats and the things that every organization tends to face, that we have a solution that you can trust, that you can continue to build upon. The second is we're modular and we're designed for interoperability. So no matter what changes in the future, like say you want to leverage a different hardware accelerator, you want to be able to do that without having to refactor your services that are sitting below and really make that transition simple. Being able to scale to different types of sites, including edge sites, all with a common platform and keeping your cost as low as possible. To me, these are really key reasons. And then when you bring in, you take VMware Cloud Foundation, and then you bring in a partner like Vectara, as Talat's already mentioned, this is a solution that we're already using internally. And when we're going to customers with partners, we like to go to customers with partners where we're already using their products because we feel that we're putting our brand on the line here. We're putting our integrity and our reputation on the line. So the validation that we already have successfully running services with Victara internally gives us a ton of confidence to be able to approach our customers together, knowing that we're really going to help them to solve their problems.
So thanks for that, Chris. So like my background is in engineering. I've written code all of my life. I've been on call for Google, like including for Google search. So I know the pain that it there is when you want to maintain infrastructure, when you want to build infrastructure, when you want to build your systems, right? So I definitely like I think like customers, businesses, they want to focus on their outcomes. They don't care about what the infra is behind the scenes, right? That's where where it was so like no brainer for us to partner with VMware. If you go back like 10, 15 years ago, right, the on-prem infrastructure was so bad, right? Now Kubernetes came in, sure, it improves stuff, but there's so much more to be desired, right? How do you make sure all your GPUs are utilized 100%? How do you make sure that you can replace things on the fly? How do you divide workloads before between different machines, right? All your storage, how do you make sure that it's reliable, it's backed up correctly? So once you go with something like VCF, you don't have to worry about those things. That's being taken care of. Then on top of that, you go Vectara. All of a sudden, you have a very powerful end-to-end agentic platform that you can use for different applications, especially that contain extremely complex multimodal data, and you can go to production very quickly. We've had literally yesterday, I was having a conversation with one of our customers, and they were given this task, and he said like I would need at least 7 engineers for several months, and I need more engineers to even maintain that after production, right? And I need to make sure over time the quality does not degrade. I need to have multiple machine learning people as well to tell me which is the right model to use. How do you do chunking? How do you do re-ranking? All that kind of stuff. So you don't want to do that as a business. All you care about is this is my business outcome. How can I get to it as quickly as possible with least pain? And you can even reduce your cost because you don't want to hire a team of 10 engineers just for this. That's where we come in with VMware and Vectara. We solve all the infra problems for you, and we provide an end-to-end agentic platform that you can just use to build your solutions very quickly.